Hello lovely creatives, Vivian here. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to talk about my top 10 tips to teach better and overcome shyness and imposter syndrome. This is especially for when you prepare your webinars, videos, even public speaking and online course videos. Okay, I'm sort of thinking about shy business owners. I'm quite an extrovert myself, but I find I'm very shy when it comes to actually making videos. Anyway, let's go and have a look and see that you don't actually need to be a qualified or certified teacher to get your pretty points across. Okay, and why does this even matter? After all, you're the expert in your business. So if you're a bit clueless about teaching your thing, or you're struggling to prepare a public speaking talk or webinar or even a workshop training, and you find yourself lost for words, this is the place to be. Okay, so remember to stay to the end of the video to learn how to make a confident splash and get your speaking, be it on a webinar, workshop or a public speaking presentation. And also to pick up your free checklist, which I'll link in the description. Okay, so I help introverted professional solopreneurs, that's a fancy way of saying shy small business people, learn how to deliver their workshops or public speaking strategy gigs that do the main talking for their boutique unique brand, that's a bit of a tongue twister, and overcome shyness or imposter syndrome. Okay, as you can see, I've made a few slides here. 10 top tips to teach better and overcome shyness and imposter syndrome. Okay, and I'd like to remind you, you really don't need to be a certified teacher to get your pretty points across. Remember, you are the expert in your business, and if you've thoroughly done your research and preparation, then there is no reason to have imposter syndrome. Okay, so let's learn to teach like a professional. First of all, what do we need? Okay, we need to know our materials inside and out, and be thoroughly prepared and research our subject so that we can handle questions and unexpected topics with ease and without clamming up suddenly and forgetting what we have to say. And you can even script out your talk as well. Then number 2, organize your content clearly, structure your lesson logically with a clear beginning, middle and end. This is to keep the audience engaged and prevent confusion. Number 3, use simple direct language, avoid jargon or overly complicated terms. Keep things simple and accessible. And let's come up to number 4. Practice active listening. Engage with your students or audience by listening to their questions and feedback that they give you on social media. And always remember to reply if they send you an email. This will help build trust. You can also sprinkle your input with personal stories, as you know, storytelling is mainstream at the moment. Passion is contagious, so engage with enthusiasm. Show a real interest in your subject, which I'm sure you already have. This is important. Number 6, provide real life examples and stories. Relate concepts to everyday life or personal anecdotes to make your material more relatable and memorable. I always remember myself when I was giving a conference in a teacher training, and I sort of got totally blocked at a certain point. We were here in Rome in Italy, and I was doing a little bit of teacher training, and I forgot what I was going to say. But luckily I had my notes with me, I had my script with me, and I also had quite a lot of visuals and photographs, not like presentations online at the time, because I'm going back about 20 years now. And I just showed them some visuals, and I said, okay, look at the visual, what do you see? Describe it to the person sitting next to you. Obviously you can't do that online, but as I had the visuals, I became much more relaxed. And here it says maintain a positive body language. Okay, in this video, which is pre-recorded, I'm not actually on the video. I did do I'm using ScreenPal today because I can add music afterwards and I find it quite easy to use. I did previously record this with Canva, present and record, but I didn't like the way my little personal shot was placed on the page, and I didn't know how to move it, so I decided to come back and do it again. Okay, simplify complex ideas, break down difficult concepts into small chunks. This is very important. Use analogies and visual aids to make abstract ideas clearer. Okay, here you can use diagrams, you can use spreadsheets, you can use infographics, anything that comes to mind that will help you in putting across your ideas. Encourage questions and interaction. Encourage questions and discussions to show you value input, and it also makes the session feel more collaborative. You can also give out your email so that people can get in touch with you directly. And if you look down here, I've got here Vivian's Creativity Lab, Rome, Italy. Vivian@vivianscreativitylab.com, so you can even write to me there. And finally, number 10, this is very important: reflect and do your research and improve continuously. After each session, reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. For example, in this presentation that I'm giving you today, pop down to the comments and leave a comment telling me what you liked, what you didn't like, and what could be improved. That would be fantastic. I love if you share any nuggets you learnt below in the comments, and I do reply personally, and I'd love to hear your views and feedback. Okay, so imagine creating a training for your boutique unique business without overwhelm. That would be fabulous. And keep honing your teaching style and growing in confidence. Following these steps can help you feel more professional and confident, whilst reducing feels of imposter syndrome. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. So start today with one of your dazzling design tutorials or videos, or one of your sizzling strategies. Goodness me, where did I find those words? Okay, so go snag the teacher training checklist below in the comments, and also let me know what your main struggles are. And remember, we all struggle with our teaching methodology. Even the most seasoned teacher has problems. So you're not alone in this, and I'd love for you to write to me. Okay, creatives, bye for now. See you soon.